It was around 1 year ago when I first had the idea to make an app. But the thing is, this app was projected to cost me $60,000. Money I didn't have at the time because I was only 20 years old just getting into the game. But I knew if I was able to pull it off, that $60,000 would turn into millions. So I had a choice to make. Either come up with the money or miss on a once in a lifetime opportunity. And look, man, y'all know me by now. Y'all should know what I did. Hustle. So I was 20 years old and I had to come up with $100,000 in order to get this app started. I set my goal at $100,000 because I just moved out, right? I was 20 years old, I lived by myself, and I didn't want to go broke investing in this app. So I had to come up with a plan to make this type of money because I was 20 years old, I ain't had that type of money myself. So I hit the drawing board and the plan was to go harder on Instagram and YouTube. And this is where I gotta thank y'all because y'all been supporting me like crazy. A couple of my vids went crazy to help me get my money up for this app. So I'm on my YouTube channel right now, and as you can see, I pulled up a video that got 330,000 views, and this is one of the videos that blew up for me, right? This video made me almost $12,000. Shit crazy. This one right here got 300,000 views and it made me $15,000. This is the 1 hour ClickBank affiliate marketing challenge. This video got almost 600,000 views and made me almost $12,000. This is my 11 streams of income at age 20. Now y'all know me, right? I got multiple hustles. I can never stick to just one hustle because that's too risky for me, right? So while I was going crazy on YouTube and posting on YouTube, I was going crazy on Instagram as well to get my money up. Now Instagram is where everything started for me. I would not be where I am today without Instagram. Even back in the day when I was doing ClickBank, Instagram is where I made most of my money. So that's why I'm always on y'all about starting an Instagram page, because you deadass don't need any money to start, and it's a great way to start building up some money so you can invest in other things. And that's exactly what I did. I got on Instagram and YouTube, I built up my audience, ran it up, and then I used that money to build my own app. Because I love these platforms, right? They made me a lot of money. But at the end of the day, I'm at the mercy of them. Anytime they feel like taking my stuff down, they can. Cause look, on Instagram, right, the Black Hustlers Club Instagram, they've been taking down my posts and they saying my account is about to be shut down. So now look, I won't even have to worry about that no more, because take down a post, man, what? I own the whole app. I didn't get no loans, no handouts, no investors, none. I own it 100%. So I get all of the money it makes and I control what goes on in the app. But at the end of the day, I couldn't have ran up a bag like I did without these platforms like Instagram, so I gotta pay my respect to them. And matter of fact, for those that been trying to grow their Instagram page and run up a bag on Instagram, I'm gonna put my IG Hustlers Academy on sale for only $50 for the next 48 hours. In that course, I break down everything I know about growing and making money on Instagram. Y'all better get in there and eat, man. The link is in the description below. 9 times out of 10, you already on Instagram a couple hours out the day. You might as well start making some money from it. But keep in mind this, right? While I was getting my money up on Instagram and YouTube, I wasn't spending any of it. In my mind, I'm like, yeah, I'm running it up. I'm seeing the most money I ever seen in my life. I could go buy Gucci, Louis V, everything I wanted as a youngin'. But I can't, because I'm saving it for an investment, so I'm broke. And after months and months of grinding every day, I'm talking every day I was at it, I finally saved up enough to get started with the app. And this is where the first problem came into play. See, I was new to the app game, right? I didn't know where to go or who to look when it comes to developing apps. So I just went on Fiverr and Upwork and eventually I found one. But look, peep game, right? Finding a good developer came with a cost. And this is where the $60,000 comes into play, right? Because the app was projected to cost me 35 bands and then the website another 25 bands. Yeah, this shit ain't no joke. But here's a sneak peek.
Presenting Hustle Inc. for tattoo lovers. Sign in to browse nearby professional tattoo artists. Chat with them. Make selection from proposed tattoo services and book the appointment slots, along with the flexibility to reschedule. Oops, want to cancel your appointments last minute? No worries. With Hustle Inc. there you go. A simple-to-go application with easily trackable history, highly secure 2-step payment process with receipt in your box right uninterrupted. Not the end, you can even negotiate with the artist by offering your own rates. Share your feedback on getting astonishing body art at your own proposed cost. What are you waiting for?
Yes, sir. I'm building an app in the tattoo industry. You see your boy Drell tatted up, you feel me? I had to for the one time. No matter where you at in the United States, you're gonna be able to go on the app, find local tattoo artists, see all of their artwork, and book an appointment right on the app. This solves the biggest problem in the industry. I'm sure you've seen people post all the time looking for tattoo artists. I even be posting about it myself sometimes, like whenever I'm trying to get tatted, but I don't be having my own tattoo artist, or I'm out of state or something like that. You gotta make a post and be like, yo, who's a good tattoo artist in Miami, Florida? Who's a good tattoo artist in Houston, Texas, or something like that? So there needs to be a platform, so we don't gotta do that no more. We could just go on the app, find some local tattoo artists, and book an appointment, just like that. It be taking way too much time to find local tattoo artists on Instagram and these other platforms. So I had to make this move for the culture. Look, my camera battery died, so I had to switch over to my phone, but the app is not done yet. I just wanted to give y'all a little sneak peek of it. But make sure y'all go follow Hustle Inc. on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. And if you know any tattoo artists, tell them to DM me right now. We need them on the app ASAP. But other than that, I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.